Good morning, folks. It's absolutely quiet, lovely morning today towards the Kaleto Smolyan fortress. It's amazing, absolutely amazing space. Something like Machu Picchu in the forest in the Rila Mountains in Bulgaria. And folks, check how steep it is. So towards here is the Kaleto fortress now. Today Hristo Bakrachev, my friend from Samokov, a photographer, is already there with his girlfriend and also another couple, friends of theirs. They're waiting me on the Kaleto fortress there. They've waited for the sunrise and they've captured a little bit like from the Rhodopean Sea, the so-called Rhodopean Sea is the morning fog that's in the lower valleys between the mountain ridges in the morning, and it becoming like a seaside with a lot of multiple islands. The mountain ridges are like islands, so they've captured that now. I'm also with my drone and it's gonna become amazing amazing views of the already spring rocks. I've shown you the Kaleto fortress on my drone playlist on the channel. You can check my drone footage playlist, but now this will be a spring view, because the previous time it was like it wasn't spring, it was like a very early spring, and it was nothing was green, it was also already, it was still brown kind of and gray back then. Now it's very green, full spring, like it's 2nd of June today actually, folks. And check that now, lovely forest with this amazing pathway. Isn't that cool? This moss, misty mountain, mystic mountain, mysterious. Oh, see over there, check folks, part of the seaside, or now it's like a lake, a small fog lake down there. Yeah, check this driftwood, and it is very steep. Very interesting trees. Right, another one. Interesting. How trees grow from under the stone, from under the rocks, you know. It's cool. And this pathway is just marvelous. I'm on a balcony, you know, a big balcony, and so this pathway is about 10-minute walk from the parking. So Kaleto is very accessible for tourist sightseeing. Check these rocks up there and this nice spot for rest with some views around. And wow, I love this place, folks. It's magical. Some flowers and the rocks. So we are almost on the entrances up there, like 20 meters away, 30. Yep. Now I'm gonna soon find my friends, Hristo and the others. They should be there. Nice. Oh, that's his drone. Huh? He's released the drone. Now he may be gonna capture me also soon when I appear out on the open here. So yeah, now information about and the very fortress entrance that's restored from the remainings of the bases. See, it was a thick wall. Christus drone is up there. Shall I show him the middle finger, huh? I'm joking, guys. So nice area here. A fallen tree. Hey, Itzo. Hey, Christo. His drone, I'm gonna see now his drone, my drone is wait folks. I had to take my backpack. My drone is DJI Mini 4K, very good for beginners like me. His drone is, I'm not sure, I'm gonna ask him now. This is not paid advertising, folks. This is just wanna show you from where I came. And this absolutely amazing spot. Imagine once upon a time you living here, see the Rhodopean seaside. Oh my god. I have to emergently release the drone. Here is the fireplace and some other remainings that were restored. Hey, what's up, guys? Here they are, my friends. So check that, folks. Wow, that's what we came for, the Rhodopean seaside. Today we are not specifically because of the fortress here, but because of the magic of the Rila Mountains, folks. Wow.